Well, this is the Novilla queen size bed frame with headboard and a footboard. I want to tell you what we think about it and one thing to watch out for. It's a 14-inch metal platform bed frame, so you get some storage underneath, and these are some strong metal slats that will support your mattress of choice, and no box spring is needed. The assembly was pretty easy. Everything was included, all of the screws, all of the parts, nothing was missing. The really good thing about this bed is it has a capacity up to 1,200 pounds, which is pretty high up there compared to the others. You know, you usually get 500, 600 pounds, so this is a little bit more. I am excited because I can finally put a pillow on the headboard and, you know, sit up in bed because our previous bed does not have a headboard and I definitely wanted an upgrade. With a 12-inch queen size mattress, this bed height was just perfect. But hopefully this will be a new change for us.
I mean, having a little bit vacuum so that you don't have to go against the wall is kind of nice because you can be away from the wall.
There's still room for storage and you don't have to climb up in bed to get on your bed. I do like the design. It's minimalistic yet a little bit of elegance, but most importantly, very functional and just good quality. I will say just be careful with that middle slat. You just want to get used to it as you're walking around the bed because I don't want you to accidentally stump your toe. That's what happened to us.